7 questions to ask a home builder before you hire them. So I've been doing marketing now for the last 5 years, particularly been doing marketing for builders for the last 3. I've worked with over 160 home builders, and currently we're working with about 130 actively that we've helped on average add an extra 1 to 3 builds per year to their business. I'm gonna teach you how to create a lead magnet as a home builder or high-end remodelers. And a lead magnet is a very important part to this process. I'm going to walk you through how to create the lead magnet A all the way to Z, and then give you different ways that you can use that lead magnet to generate leads and actually turn it into a magnet, not just a ebook that sits on your website and collects dust, digital dust. All right, so the first thing that we need is an idea. Or actually, let me first explain what is a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something free that you can give to potential customers, and what this will do is this is something free that you give them. In exchange, they give you your contact details that you can then nurture into builds. Let me use an analogy to explain this a little bit different. So if you're running Facebook ads or doing marketing without a lead magnet, you're expecting people to do business with you on one of the first times that they ever meet you without ever really experiencing anything with your business. I use the analogy all the time. A lead magnet is like, picture this, you're walking downtown New York City and you walk up to a bunch of strangers and you say, "Hey, it's nice to meet you. Will you marry me? Hey, it's nice to meet you. Will you marry me? Hey, it's nice to meet you. Will you marry me?" And the people that say yes to that are very you're probably not gonna wanna marry them anyway, right? And so a lead magnet is very different. A lead magnet is like walking downtown New York and you have flowers and chocolate in your hand and you say, "Hey, would you like to go on a date? Hey, would you like to go on a date? Hey, would you like to go on a date?" And you're a lot more likely to get people to say yes to that than you are to marrying you. Now, how does this translate to marketing? How does this translate to you as a builder? Running ads without a lead magnet, running your marketing without a lead magnet is like asking people to marry you. And marrying you is build a home with you without anything in exchange. They haven't really experienced your company yet. Whereas having a lead magnet is like giving them flowers and chocolate and asking them to go on a date first. You can then take their contact details and you can take them on a few dates before you ask them to marry you. Now they trust you a lot more, okay? So let's create your flowers and chocolate and what your version of that is. First, you need an idea. So I'm going to give you some ideas. What we found has worked with the builders that we've worked with in the past. So first thing is an idea. Idea. All right, some ideas. Top ideas are questions to ask a home builder before you hire them, a checklist, some sort of calculator that calculates, a rough cost on their build. These are all great ideas. The number one thing that I've found is 7 questions to ask a home builder before you hire them. Okay, this is a banger just for a few reasons. Okay, first one, anybody that's interested in hiring a builder is going to 1, download your ebook, and they want to consume your ebook. Even if they don't do business with you, that ebook is valuable to them. Second thing, if you pre-answer the questions that are in that ebook, you can build trust with people, okay? And if you can build trust with them and they like your answers, they're gonna wanna do business with you, because there's 3 things that people need to do business with you. They need to know you, they need to like you, and they need to trust you. If you're missing any of those 3 elements, well, it's pretty hard to do business with you. So first, you get your idea. And I recommend ChatGPT for some ideas. This is going to be the best place to build your ideas and to brainstorm. Just talk to ChatGPT, talk to Gemini, some kind of AI platform. Use the prompt, "Hey, I'm a home builder. This is the area I'm in. This is my business, and I need to create some sort of lead magnet I can give to potential customers for free to attract their contact details to then nurture into builds." So once you get your idea, that's step number 1. Step number 2. You need to actually create your lead magnet. It needs to be quality, because if you're giving away a lead magnet that's completely crap, people now associate your company as completely crap, because this is their first engagement with your company. This is the first time they're consuming something that you've given them. So you need to make sure that it's high quality. If your lead magnet's low quality, then they're gonna think you're low quality. So you need to create something that is actually quality, that if they consume it, they're gonna get value from it. So take your time, create this with actual meat and bones in it. Don't just throw together some ChatGPT prompt and call it an ebook. Doesn't work. You need to sit down and actually add value to somebody. And you really want to make sure that it's authentic and it's not just something that you've ripped off of line, right? So creating something quality. So you have an idea, now you need to create it. right? The other thing too is your packaging is everything. If you have a crappy name, people aren't going to be hooked and enticed to read it. And if you have a crappy, cover, people are not going to think it's good. They're going to think, yeah, that looks like just a crappy ebook. I'm not going to click on that, or a crappy checklist. So it needs to look good. Recommend using Canva to create it. The third thing is, where do you actually use it? It needs to be used throughout your marketing. You can use it in your ads to attract people. You can run your ebook or your checklist or whatever it is as an ad to attract people. And that's a great way to get it out there, but you need to promote it so it actually works. What I recommend, a few things. First, should be on the homepage of your website. It should be about halfway down. It should also be a pop-up. If you've been on the website for longer than 7 seconds, a pop-up should come, hey, download our free ebook, 7 questions to ask a builder before you hire them. You should have then, when they click download, it should take them to a separate page where they can read about what's in that ebook, and you should ask for their name, their phone number, their email. That's it, okay? So you have it on your website as a pop-up. You can use it throughout your marketing. It should also be in all of your social media bios as well. Hey, download our free checklist, download our free ebook, whatever it may be, okay? You need to then promote it. That's step 3. Now, step 4, most important part of the whole process is you need to engage with the people that come in as leads. You need to follow people up. Follow up / nurture. So people download the ebook, you promote it, looks good, awesome. But if you don't contact them, it doesn't really mean anything. You should engage the people that follow up, or that download your ebook, within the first 5 minutes. You should ask them, hey, thanks for downloading your ebook. What prompted you to reach out? Or what prompted you to download this? How can we help? How can we assist? You should then have some sort of systematized follow-up system that engages everybody that comes in as an ebook download, so that you can pull appointments and actual deals out of the people that have downloaded your free lead magnet. This is how you actually reap the rewards of what you've put in for effort. So you need a follow-up system. Engage them within 5 minutes, okay? And stay in front of them for ultimately, what I find works best is you should probably stay in front of them for a year after they come in. And we have a whole framework to that. If you want to watch one of our previous videos, go subscribe to us here. A 12-month follow-up is really important to stay in front of these people long-term, and you really want to position yourself as a trustworthy guide within their story. So the follow-up, this is very important to actually getting results out of your amazing lead magnet that's now in front of the right people and people have downloaded it. So follow them up, okay? I hope you got value from this. If you did, we're on a mission here at Home Builder Marketers to help 10,000 home builders reach more than 10 custom homes sold per year. So if you align with that, subscribe to this channel so that future videos get promoted to you. And if you want help implementing this system, if you want help running your ads, setting up a lead magnet, here at Home Builder Marketers, we can help you with that. If you have any questions, you want to learn more about us, visit our website. It's homebuildermarketers.com, or reach out to us on LinkedIn or Instagram or Facebook at Home Builder Marketers. Thank you for watching.